if your slime is hard, put it in the microwave, but it could explode or your mom will get the chancleta y te va a hacer, ah! Be careful. Hey guys, welcome back to itzMeli. Today, we're making some butter slime. Let's go to the slime. Let's go. So, you wash it with nene. Okay, that was horrible. Oh, slime. Okay, so question of the day. Fortnite or anything, like your second favorite game, like your first favorite game. Fortnite versus that game is your favorite. I haven't played Fortnite in a long time. It's gonna be my first time after the video. I don't know why I'm still pouring the glue. Honestly, what's life anymore? Mix randomly, because that's awesome. Now we're gonna put, okay, we're gonna make butter slime, so I just want to make a little bit of water. Optional, don't have to put the water. I'm not, last video I made fishbowl, and I did speed run. This is clear. I got this, I'm pretty sure I got this one, no, I didn't get it. I got it as a birthday present. Yeah, I'm gonna put some shaving cream. I don't know why, but I love in any slime except for clear slime, shaving cream. Slime is okay. Oh, it looks so cool. It looks so nice. Oh yeah, we're gonna add the color, but after the gain. First, I put a little bit of gain, then I put the color. Then you mix. Whoa, this color is strong. So, yeah, I forgot to say I think I already said the ingredients. I'm gonna say it again. You need glue, water, optional, shaving cream, optional, and any activator you would like. And off of days of clay, but I'm gonna get mine off of a slime kit called Unicorn Slime Kit. So, I love slime, honestly. It's like the best thing. Okay, also I like squishies and other stuff. Also, would you rather? And also, by the way, my mom is amazing. She bought me this for my birthday, and yeah. Okay, so would you rather be blind? No, not that. Would you rather be completely bald or be very hairy? I think most of the people are gonna pick bald because you can you can't put a wig on. But I think everybody's gonna pick bald. I would pick bald, of course. After this video, I'm gonna play some Fortnite in a video. I'm of course gonna record it and some stuffies. Whoa! Please ignore the fact that, okay, and now, oh my god. May have not made a mess. Okay, that was a little too much. We're supposed to leave this a little. Slime. Get out of me. Okay, I'm making a huge mess. Ooh, I really don't care. Ooh, I got so scared. I thought the gain was gonna spill. Okay, it's working. It's getting into the slime form. Oh, I gotta put the coloring after this is fully done, because maybe the coloring has something, cause a chemical reaction and slime could melt again. And you do not want that to happen. So I'll add the coloring after. What else can we talk about? Yeah, I have a project to do today. It's due on Monday. This Monday, not next Monday. Oh, Halloween's okay. Halloween, I think it's next week. I don't know. Pretty sure in a few weeks from now. Okay, guys, I actually made it finally. Now I may get a hope. Let's mix this together. I'm trying to go for a nice pink color. So yeah. Oh, shout out to my friends Camila, Nicole, Victoria, and Daniela. Ho ho ho. That's what I do in class, and for some reason I never get in trouble. Oh yeah. I did it. Okay. We're gonna put scent. Totally optional. Oh. Oh, this smells so good. So I'm gonna put a little bit more. Oh, it's called, the scent is Bubblegum by the Slime Kits, called Unicorn Slime Kit. That much. It's like they put perfume. Could it be perfume that they add in the scent? Or is this water with scent? That smells so good. And good for this type of slime. Here it is. This is without it. I'm gonna keep a little piece of it. Okay, so now we're gonna get my clay. I got about this much. The clay makes it soft and buttery. Okay, so some slime. Woo, I'm kidding. Okay, I think that'll be enough clay for now. Oh, if your slime is hard, put it in the microwave, but it could explode or your mom will get the chancleta y te va a hacer, ah! Be careful. So yeah. Make sure to put, ooh, I can see the camera a little bit, but oh, you can really dance. So it's not done yet. There. Gonna clean the stick. We're gonna clean the bowl. Plus the bowl is really dirty. Clean the bowl. Sorry for the noise. Oh, thank you to my mom for getting everything. I love her so much. Thank God I have her in my life. Slime just got sticky because I was cleaning the bowl and the bowl had glue in the bottom. I don't know why. Okay, so this is the finishing product. Just gonna clean the spoon. It's not even a spoon. This is the before the clay was added. Just there. So we're gonna do some soothing sounds. I have to get really close so you guys can hear it because I have this microphone. So this is, it's turned like, I'm gonna put some glitter. Some glitter. Woo, this is gonna be pretty. I'm gonna put some, okay. I'm gonna put whatever. Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful. It's gonna make a mess, isn't it? Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Look what I did. Oh, so beautiful. It's sort of clear because I use clear glue on this. It's called Jot's Clear Glue. Washable, dries fast, and clear. But this isn't clear. Remember, guys, you could use, if you have leftover glue, you could use it to soften your slime or get lotion. I use Avu, whatever it's called. Okay, guys. Done. Okay, we're gonna wrap things up. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. It's Melly. I love you and good. Bye.